The journey doesn't end at the server rack. It enters a vast, shifting empire where physical walls vanish. Welcome to the cloud. The cloud isn't magic. It's a method of managing massive infrastructure as a single, breathing entity. Every cloud journey begins with physical hardware, the bare metal that anchors the entire system. But in the cloud, one server becomes many. Through virtualization, we layer multiple environments on top of one physical machine. The brain of this operation is the hypervisor. It's the traffic controller that manages the hardware's resources. It pools processing power and memory, handing them out precisely where they are needed most. Our packet enters its own virtual machine, an isolated world that thinks it has the whole server to itself. This isolation ensures that if one system fails, the others keep breathing. It's security by design. But where does the data live? Not just in memory, but in a vast redundant library. This is remote storage. Data isn't trapped in one disk. It's distributed across a cluster of thousands. The cloud shards your data, breaking it into pieces so it can be handled with high-speed efficiency. Each piece is replicated. If one storage node goes dark, your data remains safe and accessible elsewhere. Reliability at scale. Your data is everywhere and nowhere all at once. But what happens when the whole world makes a request at the same time? Control must meet chaos. The system feels the weight, traffic is peaking, and the infrastructure is reaching its limit. This is the cloud's greatest trick, elasticity. The system senses the load and prepares to grow. New nodes appear instantly. More power, more storage, more life for the network. They integrate into the grid in milliseconds, providing the capacity to handle the surge. Traffic is balanced. No single node is overwhelmed. The empire breathes easy once again. When the swarm leaves, the extra nodes vanish. You only use and pay for exactly what you need. Static servers are walls. The cloud is an ocean. It scales with your ambition. But entry must be earned. The packet heads for the edge, the gateway to the user. Application programming interfaces act as the translators, connecting the internal logic to the external world. Identity and access management ensure that only the right sparks move the right data. From a single workstation to a global, elastic grid, the journey of data has never been more powerful. Managing the cloud means mastering virtualization and the logic that runs it. It's about designing for redundancy and scaling for the world's demands. We've seen the hardware and we've seen the system, but danger is always lurking. Next time, we enter the fortress, the world of cybersecurity. Subscribe to Stand Guard. The packet's journey continues. Master the machine. See you in the next session.